This is video 2 for quarter 3 unit on subject-verb agreement. This is subjects-verb agreements in which the subject is followed by a phrase. This corresponds with exercises 2 and 3 in your packet. This should be an especially short video. Just to review, singular subjects take singular verbs, and plural subjects take plural verbs. Just a little wrinkle is if the subject is followed by a phrase. We do not change the number, whether it is singular or plural, of a subject if a prepositional phrase follows the subject. Basically, the subject has to agree with the verb, not a noun in the prepositional phrase. So it'll be helpful if you can remember your prepositions from first quarter too. Let's take a look at my first example. In this case, the sentence is, several of the cookies were burnt. The very first thing I'm going to do here is, because I know there's going to be a phrase, I'm going to find it and cross it out. In this case, of is a preposition. Of the cookies, cookies is the noun that ends the phrase. This is just extra information about several. So several is the subject, and several is the word that we've got to agree our verb with. So you see, of the cookies, prepositional phrase, several, a plural subject, agrees with a plural verb. One more example from your packet. This book of short stories is interesting. Same thing, I find the prepositional phrase first. In this case, it's the same sort of situation because I've got the preposition of and stories, so I could cross that out. What actually is interesting is the book. So this book of short stories is interesting. Book has to agree with is and not stories. That's why it isn't was. Okay? If you would, maybe try a couple in exercise 2, and then we'll have time to work together on exercises 2 and 3. But hopefully this goes pretty quickly. It really relies on you finding the prepositional phrase, getting rid of it, and finding the true subject. All right? That is all for this video.